Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of baby shower decorations with a review of the KatchOn, It's a Boy balloon set. If you're expecting a little prince and want to make your baby shower extra special, these balloons might just be what you're looking for. Let's get started. These balloons from KatchOn are designed specifically for baby showers, boasting a charming It's a Boy theme. The set includes 5 balloons in various shapes and sizes, all decked out in blue, the quintessential color for baby boys. First up, you get a large 31-inch baby bottle-shaped balloon, which serves as a fantastic centerpiece. Alongside that, there are 2 18-inch blue star-shaped balloons and 2 18-inch round balloons with It's a Boy printed on them. The set also comes with a handy roll of white ribbon for easy setup and decoration. These balloons are made from sturdy aluminum foil, ensuring they're helium-supported and will stay inflated throughout your event. You can even store them for future celebrations, making them a practical choice. Many users rave about the quality and design of these balloons, noting how they instantly elevate the atmosphere of any baby shower or gender reveal party. They're not just decorations, they're memories in the making. Now, comparing these with other similar products, the KatchOn set stands out for its durability and attention to detail. The price point is reasonable for what you get, a complete set that covers all your baby shower decoration needs. In conclusion, if you're looking to celebrate the imminent arrival of your little prince with style and charm, the KatchOn, It's a Boy balloon set is an excellent choice. They're well made, they look fantastic, and they're sure to create lasting memories at your baby shower. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on products that make a difference. Until next time, happy decorating!